welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone. Hoping that the glare's not too bad. Working on a very dark blue and medium blue canvas here. Gonna try something a little different. I did a quick ditty for you all yesterday with all my favorite colors, and I thought about doing a little bit of a different technique today. So let's talk about our base coat. Our base coat is not black. This color on this side is a combination of Artist Loft Black and Artist Loft Blue. And this color up here is a little bit more the blue and just a smidgen of the Artist Loft Black. You gotta add this in very slow or it will take over. And it made just a lovely shade, kind of like Payne's Gray. My pouring medium today, thank goodness, is 75% Floetrol and 25% GAC 800, which I got in the mail. I've been without that for quite a few weeks now, so I'm really excited to have that back. Our colors today are the same colors that I used in yesterday's video, which I absolutely love. In this cup right here, we have Golden Iridescent Gold Fine. This pretty cup right here is Golden Iridescent Pearl. This color right here is Deco Art Metallics, and that's the Peacock Pearl. But I added just a couple of drops of the golden turquoise to it, which just kind of richened it up a little bit. This is a great, great turquoise, guys. And this final cup is our golden iridescent pearl. Now, what my plan is today is to put down a very narrow swipe line. The colors and the orders that I'm going to use is the gold is going to be my swipe color. Actually, I might start here and work my way down. My gold, and then I'll put down my pearl, then my turquoise, and then my silver, and then I'm going to swipe with my gold. Now, I'm going to start off by swiping with my flexible plastic. This is just an old report cover that I took the plastic cover off and cut into a bunch of different sizes and widths to swipe with. So I'm just going to kind of play. Now, when I put my base coat down, I put the dark blue down first. Then I added the lighter blue color, and then I tilted my canvas, and what happened was these lines started to happen. And then I just took a popsicle stick, dipped it in the darker color, and just kind of dragged it through the paint to accentuate the lines that were being created as I tilted my canvas. So there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and put some music on so I can dance around, and I will be back at you guys real soon. Have a great day. Be healthy, be well, stay safe, stay home, guys. Paint, stay home and paint. Take care of that honey-do list, whatever you need to do, guys.